Today's suspects are going to be something a little bit different. Not so much cooking, even though I will be using the stove. But that's the first suspect. It's ginger. The next suspect is going to be some lemon. Yeah, lemon because it's not lime. See, so it's a couple of lemons. We're gonna be using 3 ingredients only. So the ginger, the lemon, and some rosemary. Because what we're doing today is we're gonna make a bit of a tea. And I bought this recently, so I kind of want to put it to the test. Even though I know it's gonna work, it's just my first time using it. But this is because I don't want to drink soda, but when I was in the hospital, they were allowing me to drink ginger ale. And I've always liked ginger ale. So I was kind of surprised that they actually offered it. And then I had already made this even before I had gone to the hospital. It's just like a nice drink that helps your digestive system get going. Or if you have like an upset stomach, it helps kind of just like get rid of like anything that looks weird. And then it's up to you if you want to drink it straight like that, but it does taste a little bit funky. So I'd like to use honey. Once this is done by itself, these 3 ingredients, once I'm ready to pour, then I put the honey. I don't put the honey straight away. I want this to kind of do its thing and then add the sweetener afterwards, because once this gets cold, you want to reheat it and just kind of keep it separate. You don't have to do the honey. It just tastes better for me.